always almost miss the turn when I come into this one. I think it is this one here. I'm going to park right on the other side of the... They're not here yet. Oh, I've just pulled up by the looks of it. So, just a little school kind of place that we do today, and the alarm was fitted a long time ago when it was all refit, and at the time essentially just not enough sounder heads were put in. So when we came initially, it was all kind of like open plan, and now it's all like corridored, and every single room's got a door. So I'm just here. I'll tell you what I am going to do though. I'm going to have a little sort out of my van because loads of shits fell over. So me. So obviously when you're in here, I don't know if you can barely hear that. See all these rooms, and now got doors on them, and you can't hear anything. It's not very loud at all. Boom, 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 boom.
I don't know what
severed from the protection of the Roman military. This big Roman imperial world, the collapse of Rome, a Conquisto Britannica, and it was probably written in the first half of the 500s. But don't hold me to that. And one thing that is important, it is one category. Ildax's work is part history and part mainly served. Made a mention of them. A Saxon pirate who deems it but sport to follow.
They're a bit long, they are.
With hides,
but I don't want to. There's plenty up there though. Just sometimes whether that'll be able to go on if you leave them too long. Beautiful. Nice.
The swords gleam and the flames crackle around them on every side, lamentable to behold. Because I have done a podcast on that. Go check out the audio feed. I did a deep dive, but suffice it to say, Argyll, roughly speaking, this area of modern Scotland, and that name seems to, but it doesn't seem to last very long. It was ever shifting. The Northumbrians went on to be pretty dominant through the middle of the 7th century, and then Mercia had it run in the 670s. They defeated other parts of the north and south. By the 680s, this down here started to expand. It was Wessex. And towards the end of the 600s, they managed to conquer Kent and Sussex.
That's working. That's working. That's better. Done. Beauty. Right, that is 2 down. Not the neatest job, but a quick job. I've got to go back there in a few weeks to put a core point by the back door. What's that? Have a good weekend. Yes, you too, mate. Take it easy. I think his name's Nathan. I've worked with him a few times. He's one of the Sparkies, so you get to know people. But Right, let me. Well, I've got to get over to Wayfair now. There's a dodgy reverse out here. Just have to go dead slowly. Cool, cool, cool. Right, let's go. Sorted. Job's a good one. Let me just. Which I need fuel. Right, 10 o'clock. So, a bit delayed because of they didn't turn up on time. We were sat around for about half an hour. 9 o'clock start, it was more like 9:30, quarter to 10, but in and out in an hour. Not the neatest job, just because I'd like to have put better holes, maybe put like a Patra's bottom on that just to space it out a bit, but a compliant job, and it's passable, so but we need to get it done quick.
I think it's, I should know, 3 cubic metres or something. For some reason it's much more efficient for when you're trying to cool grain to suck air out of this for those fans rather than blowing air into these pedestals. It just drags more.
Oh, sorry, I've gone too far. I was way with the fairies. Oh yeah, I'm just dropping off some extinguishers for maintenance over at the 158 or 185 shed, whatever it is. Andy McCoy, it's Ampfire. I'll ring them. Thank you.
The mobile number you called.
Hello.
Oh, hiya mate, it's Andy from Ampfire, you alright?
Yeah.
I'm at Shutter 185, we've got some extinguishers for you.
Okay, pal. Do you need a forklift or anything, or is it?
No, it's just 4 small boxes. I think they've got to go on the WN or something.
No.
Oh, bud, see you in a bit.
All right.
Ta-da.
Cheers.
Bye. See you later.